A top member of the new Nigeria's People's Party, NNPP, Buba Galadima, shared how his daughter got a good job with the help of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. In an interview on Africa Independence Television, AIT, Galadima said that even though he has often criticized the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC, he is still friends with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Galadima explained that his daughter once used his phone to call Tinubu. The president answered the call thinking it was Galadima. The daughter and her siblings told Tinubu that things were hard for them and said, "Our father told us you are his friend." One of them mentioned that she had just finished a National Youth Service Corps (NYSC) and couldn't find a job at the Nigerian Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission (NUPRC).
And we are friends and we will continue to be friends. If I like anything from him, I can ask and I will get. And in fact, let me confess to you on television. My daughter did the NYSC, the one who lost her passport. Yeah. That's why she wanted us to go to Mecca to thank God. In upstream something headed by Komalafe. Yeah. So she looked for a job. She couldn't. She wanted to get a job there. They couldn't give her. So two of them, one of them medical doctor, a senior sister, no work. So they scrolled my phone and saw the president's phone.
They saw the president's
phone number.
Okay.
And called Mr. President. And he picked the phone. He thought
thinking that it was you.
Thinking that it was me. Then they said they are my children. And that they are calling him because country had. Country had? What's happening? He said, Baba, country had. Our father cannot get any job for us. Our father cannot do this for us. Our father cannot do this for us. And he told us that you are his friend. He said, yes, of course. I'm his friend. They said, then the little one said, she finished NYSC, just finished NYSC. She couldn't get a job with the upstream something headed by Komalafe. He just asked, call Komalafe, go and give my friend's daughter job. She has that is why she wanted to go to Mecca to pray, to thank God, and even to thank Mr. President.
Although Galadima is a strong supporter of Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso and often speaks against the government, he said he has no personal issues with Tinubu except for how the country is being governed. Buba Galadima is known for being active in Nigerian politics for many years. He once worked closely with the former president Muhammadu Buhari and was part of the Congress for Progressive Change (CPC). He also worked with the People's Democratic Party (PDP). While this has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please keep watching Naija News TV.